Welcome to Get Mad Bull. 3 steps to inserting the nasal dilator. First step, tilt it up. Put it towards your nostrils. Begin to insert slowly. Push towards the top of your nose. Push your thumbs back slowly and gently, and it's in position. You can wiggle it a little bit and pull it back down towards your lip. It's installed. Turbocharge your breathing. Unbelievable. To take it out, lift up, pull out slowly and gently. To put it back in, again, point it towards your nose, point it up, push it in with the bottom of your thumbs, pull down gently, and it's in. Turbocharge your breathing, ready to work out. And to remove, once again, lift up, pull out, wash with soap and water. Thank you.